Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how you can access items from a list. Okay, there are different ways you can access the item from a list. There is positive direction where you can access the items from a list that is beginning from 0 to number of items. The counting begins from 0. But when you go for the outing for reverse direction, it begins from your RS size starting from the negative point. Okay, so how it is then going to be present? So let's see. I am giving you one example. If you go this list, if you access the items inside this list, so there is one counting beginning from 0 to 4 because here 5 elements are present. If you counting from starting from 0, then next item will be the 1, then next 2, then 3, then 4. It is incremented by 1. But when you go for the reverse direction, so what is the number of elements here? 5. So the 5 in number of elements, the beginning index value, when you go for the negative direction, the beginning index value will be minus 5 because the size is 5 if there is a 6 elements are present, and is starting from the minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then here we not going to be ended with 0. Okay, because we are counting begins from the number of elements, and the counting starts from that particular size of the element from lower to higher. Okay, from lower down to higher down. So how you can access by through these indices? So let's see one example I will declare here. So first example, print. Inside the print there is a L of 0 where you can access the first element. Okay, that is a 1. Fine. Then likewise go for print L of 1, that's a 2. Okay, likewise go for print L of 2, it will going to be print, that is 3. Okay, so if you want to access the elements through negative, how could you access? L of minus 5. Okay, that is a 1. Print L of minus 3. Let's see, that's a 3. Okay, so minus 3, here 3. You can understand by I am in represent here on positive and negative both of the directions. So you have better understanding how the elements indexed and the return value of what. So first of all I will cover the some points I will already mentioned above. Negative indices. So what is negative indices? You already know. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. You have, if I mind in a doubt why it is starting from minus 5, because there is the elements number of items inside the list are 5 elements. So it's counting beginning from the that size to increasing wise, means minus 5, then minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then range of indices. What is the range of indices? Range of indices means you can access the number of elements between the range. You have to use the colon. So how it is going to be return the range of elements? It will return the range of element in the form of list, and the beginning index you can start it from, if you go for the positive direction, that is 0. So how it is range of elements is going to be work? Let's see. Print L of 0 to 4. So here 0 to 3 elements, index elements are returned, means 1 to 4. Okay, that is 1 to 4. Here 1 to 4 elements are going to be returned, because 1 to 4 elements are going to be returned because here 0 is the beginning element, 4 is the last element, item index value, last item index value. But 4 is not taken as a countability, that's why it returns me from 0 to 3. Okay, from 0 to 3, that is 1 2 3 4. So go for the another example. Print, okay, print L of, that is colon 4. Okay, what is the meaning? So it's begin from the 0. If you are not mentioning the 0, by default it starts from 0. Okay, colon 4. 4 means that's a 4 index, that is the last index where you can't pick, but that is the end of the uh, accessing the items in a list. So now if you go for the negative, print there is L of -5 to -1. So it returns you, that is 1 2 3 4. Fine. -5 -4 -3 -2. Okay. So if you go for the 0, it returns you error because it's out of range. -5 colon 0. Okay, it returns out of range. That is, no elements are returned because it can't taken as a countability. So print L of colon -1. So what is the meaning? So it's starting from the -5 to -4, -5 to -2, but -1 is excluded part because at the end of the defined list, range of list item, it is going to be excluded from accessing the items inside the list. Okay, so let's see what is going to be written. So here 1 2 3 4 is going to be written. Okay, so very interesting, and how you know how enter indices elements are going to be accessed from the list object. Check if the item exists to determine if the specified item is present in a list using the keyword. Okay, you use in keyword. If 5 in L colon print present. Okay, else colon print not present. Okay, fine, present. If there is a 6 is declared here, which is return you not present. This is return you not present. Okay, that's all. If you have any doubt, go to the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button and click also bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notification. Thank you.